Alright, so I've got my Yeti right here.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. I've had a lot of discussion, questions, a lot of talk about this. Some guys like this system, some guys don't. But the biggest thing is how do you use it? I showed you kind of with my hand how to do it. Today, I'm going to show you actually how to do it on a knife. I'm going to use good old-fashioned Ontario Model 1. They don't like it when you say the right one, but the Ontario Model 1. We're going to use this and show you how to sharpen your knife. All right, to show you that you can use it in the field, I'm going to sit here and do it in the car. So you've got your knife, you've got this. Find your angle, okay? And again, this knife's pretty decently sharp, but we're going to just start from scratch. You got your thumb, and you just start. All right, next thing. So you take it, you got the that grittier side, and you got the less grittier, the fine side. You just do the same thing, and you can hear the difference. All right, so the next step, when we do the finer side, we're going to move it over to the C, or the coarse side here. And again, it's got these guides. You just and run it through a few times. All right, the next thing you do is move it from that coarse all the way to that fine, that F, and you just keep going again. And you do this a few times. Then the next thing you do is you flip it over and use the strop, and instead of doing like pushing forward, you don't want to cut the leather, you pull away. So you take it like this and you pull away from you. I'm gonna do this a few times, and you'll notice this really polishes. This really gives that blade edge a polish. All right, now look at that blade edge, guys. All right, now, the real test. Will it cut hair, okay? It definitely will. Look at that. And guys, that's within maybe 10 minutes total. Ontario Rat 1, the AUS 8A steel. So, guys, the system works.